Have you been trying to build an affiliate marketing business and failing constantly? If so, I have some great news for you in my review of WP Super Affiliate. Stay with me, it's coming right up. Before we get to that, my name is Eric Hammer. I'm known as the man with a hat. That's because I wear a fedora pretty much everywhere that I go. I am actually one of the few people who can pull one off successfully. Well, me and this guy. Now, if you are new to the channel, what I do here is two things. I review software and info products in the make money online niche, basically because I want to make sure that you don't end up buying a bunch of crap.
What a load of crappy crap.
Bye, boy.
Bart, this is absolutely ridiculous. You gotta stop. Look at the reviews. Just look. These fine people came to look. He never ever listens. He complains and complains and complains. He's so annoying. Bart, you know what? Go back to The Simpsons. Just be on TV. Stop bothering me, please. Anyway, the way it works here is that if I like a product, I'm going to give it to my head to the product creator. If I don't, well, better luck next time. Now, I also do a lot of videos on mindset involving entrepreneurship.
He's an entrepreneur. He's very successful.
Thank you, Liz Lemon. Now, you see, she's a sweetheart, totally unlike what Bart is like. She's so sweet. She says the same thing every day, but it's so sweet to hear her say it. If you are new to the channel, go ahead and smash that subscribe button. Hit the bell icon to be notified when I drop new videos, because frankly, subscribe means nothing here on YouTube anymore. Go ahead and like this video, comment down below, and let's get right into this. You can see some of the earnings that Paul and Anthony have earned from using this kind of method. Now, let's take a look at some of the claims here and see whether or not these claims actually hold water or not. I also want to talk to you a little bit about my own bonuses that I'm going to be giving you with this package. So the WP Super Affiliate Program basically is a training combined with a piece of software. It's basically a WordPress plugin. And the idea of the WordPress plugin is to basically create kind of like a bonus page, bonus/review page. I do it myself, actually, but this makes life so much simpler. And I'll show you in just a moment in one of my demo sites how the software works, how easy it is to use. Basically, the concept is to create your own bonus pages. Now, let's take a look at some of the claims here. For example, you don't need a subscriber list. Well, you don't need one to start. You're ultimately going to be creating one. You don't necessarily need paid traffic or SEO. They do have a bunch of free traffic methods, and I'm actually going to be giving you some more, but I'll get to that in just a minute. You don't need to make your own products or lead magnets. No, you don't really need to do that. You don't really need any well, a little bit maybe. Creating content, making videos, social media, spamming, all their time-sucking tasks. Well, a little bit. Not nearly as much as you might think, but a little bit. So let me talk to you a little bit about my own bonuses, though, because this is really important, because I really want you to succeed using WP Super Affiliate, because it's a really great product. It really, really is a wonderful product that can really boost your sales a lot and make you a lot of money, but only if you're going to use it with my bonuses. So they are going to give you a few traffic methods, but I'm actually going to give you my own traffic multiplier course, which, by the way, I found it ironic. I call my course Traffic Multiplier, and they actually, over here, have their own traffic multiplier technology, which I found really funny. The two are completely separate things. Traffic Multiplier is my own course. You can't get it anywhere else, and some of the methods are unique to me. They're not something you're going to learn from anybody else. I guarantee you that some of these methods are methods that you literally will not get anywhere else, and you're going to get some really high-value stuff from me in my Traffic Multiplier course. I haven't given it away for a long time because I've been trying to keep it secret, but I'm going to give it away with this course. In addition to that, I'm going to give you something else super, super valuable. I'm going to give you my course on how to write emails. This is really important because ultimately, the idea of WP Super Affiliate is to create yourself a buyer's list and then to actually send them emails. And so what you're going to get from me is basically going to be my course on how to write custom emails. It's really powerful stuff. Very few people teach this kind of thing This is what's really going to make the difference in getting you those $716 in sales. Okay, that's going to make the big difference for you. You're not going to make these kind of numbers without my course, because you need to know how to write a good email that's going to convert sales. And so that's what I'm going to be giving you. You're going to get that course. It's going to show you really, really well how to do that kind of stuff. Okay, now, so let's go ahead and take a look at the members area. Then I'm going to show you a demo of how the software actually works. So we're here in the members area for WP Super Affiliate. So you see there's a bunch of case studies. There's some training on how to use the software. There's actually access to the software. What I really loved here was the traffic methods. They have a couple of interesting methods here, which are pretty nice. Push notifications. These are things that I actually don't teach in my traffic multiplier course. This is really good because you're going to get additional methods of driving traffic, which you're not going to get from me. And you're going to get another 5 methods in my traffic multiplier course, which is really going to be very powerful for you. So it's going to be super valuable to you to have that plus this, because it's really going to make a pop for you. They do show you how to use email, but they don't show you how to write an email. And that's really, really important. So I'm not going to go over all these different things. You can see basically it's a course, and the big thing, of course, is the software that comes with it. The software is very, very valuable, and it's something that I wish I had when I started, because I actually hand-coded my own bonus pages in my website. I did not use something that was not like this, where it's done for you. So let's go ahead and take a look in one of my demo websites and see how the software actually works. We're inside of one of my demo websites. Now, I don't really use this website very much for anything. Bought it for a particular reason, didn't end up using it for what I bought it for, and so kind of just sitting there, but I have it available. The nice thing about having other sites available is you can do all kinds of experimental
Alive! It's alive!
stuff. I'm not experimenting like that. I'm not talking about building a Frankenstein monster, jeez. Anyway, but basically the nice thing here is like this. So what this does basically is to create for you a complete ready-made affiliate page. So you get all the different options. So you can put a title. So my awesome offer. Okay, obviously you're not going to do that, but you're going to want to put an image. You can go grab the image off of whatever it is that you're selling. And basically any affiliate product that you're promoting, you can go grab their image. They usually have a mock-up. Just most cases, you can just right-click and grab it. If for some reason you can't, then you can click Inspect Element, and then you can usually find that way. Or they might also have it available on the JV page. So you can go grab the image, add the image in. This I really love, because I spent months looking for a progress bar, or what's some people actually call them a scarcity bar. And basically what this does is it creates one of those like candy stripe things that you see, where it's actually going to show you, okay, there's 50 copies of this bonus left. You can see it on my bonus pages that there's 50 copies of the bonus left, and out of 100 copies, or however many you want to say that you're giving away, and you can just you can update it periodically. You don't have to have it automatically update every single time somebody actually makes a purchase. It'll just update automatically for you. Now, so this will actually create it for you. You can put down the text. You can select the color of the text. Okay, you can select description. You can also select the color of the progress bar. You can select whether or not it's going to show the whole 9 yards. Everything is included there. All right, you got various options for this thing. So you can select various bonuses for your offer. Okay, that's basically what these are all about. These are different bonuses, right? And you can add on these extra steps, which basically is going to give you additional features in order to be able to grab people's email addresses. So the context text is really important. You're going to give a video. Obviously, you're going to do a video similar to what I'm doing here for WP Super Affiliate. You're going to put in a video. You can give a heading, and you just put in the YouTube ID. If you want, you put some text under the video. If not, don't worry about it. And this is really nice. This is a very nice feature. You can actually put down a timer. What the nice thing about a timer is that it drives scarcity. You can say this is going to be available only until this and this time, and then the product goes away. This bonus goes away. That's really, really powerful. That really does drive a lot of sales, because people will see it and they say, okay, I have this and this amount of time. Obviously, you want to make sure that you're going to be honest and actually take the bonus away. If you're not going to take the bonus away, people are going to start learning, like, yeah, right. Yeah, sure. I know the bonus isn't really going away. So I usually do that. I take away bonuses that I say, if I say it's going to go for a certain amount of time, then it's going to go for a certain amount of time, then I take it away. Obviously, bonus section, you can add additional bonuses here. Okay. And the nice thing, you can also add a pop-up, which is really valuable. You can have a pop-up on each individual page, together with basically saying, hey, wait, I've got this extra special deal for you. Don't go away, etc., etc. Again, this is all about driving traffic, getting people to convert, getting people to buy whatever it is that you're selling to them. And then finally, page settings. And then you can basically just, once you're all done, I wouldn't bother with the JavaScript code. Ignore that. Once you're all done, you click publish, and then you're going to have a ready-made page to actually sell something to your customers. That's really, really powerful stuff. Because what I did in my own website, I basically created my own custom bonus page where it's got the heading and all that kind of stuff, all the things that you're going to see here. But I had to write it all by hand. I had to create each individual section by hand, and basically I just copy it and paste it and then still edit it again and again. It's a lot of work. It's hard. It's not easy. Most people are going to end up with something that looks like crap.
What a load of crappy crap.
Apologies to Bart. Anyway, but seriously, this is a really nice, polished way of creating bonus pages, of creating review pages for various products. So let's go ahead and see if I'm going to give it to the product creator or not. So the answer is yes and no. Yes, it's a great product. I absolutely love this thing. I think that everybody should have it. So in that respect, big tip of my hat to you guys. Great product, really well done. But I'm taking off a few points just because I feel like they were a little bit overemphasizing the fact that you don't need traffic, you don't need this, you don't need that. Ultimately, this is a very, very valuable tool. It's going to save you an immense amount of time. I wish I had something like this when I first started, because it would have saved me so many hours, so much aggravation in finding all the individual things that I needed to add in to create a bonus page. And that's something that's really valuable on its own. I think that some of the claims on the sales page were a bit over the top. And so in that respect, I was a little bit disappointed, because I felt it was a bit over the top, that they were just being a little bit too much with saying, oh, it's going to be basically done for you, etc., etc., etc. This is going to save you an immense amount of time, and it's worth buying for that reason alone. But to say that basically all you do is install this thing and push a few buttons and you're going to make money, no, you still have to put some work in. It's not going to be complete instant success. This is just going to get you there a lot faster. And so I personally would like to say, yes, great product. Go buy it. Seriously, this is an incredible offer. If you pick it up during the early bird special, I think it's like $17 during early bird. During the launch, after the early bird is over, I think it's like $22, which is still a very good deal. So yeah, I would definitely say go ahead and buy this. But I just have my caveat that I kind of felt like the sales page was a bit over the top, which I understand that's what people do in this industry. I get it that people do that, but it was a bit over the top for me. That was the only caveat that I had about this product. Not the product itself. The product itself was great, just that the sales page felt a bit over the top.